Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily combo. Today is 28th July 2024. The combo cards for today are: the first one is App Center listing, the second one is Web3 Academy launch, and the third one is grant for developers. So the first thing you do is to click on the daily combo here. When you click on daily combo, search for App Center listing. App Center listing should be under specials. Let's check specials here. Okay, this is it here. App Center listing is under specials. When you scroll down, you see it. Just for mine is in level 8, and the number of coins required is 128,000 coins. So it might be different from your own. So you claim it. The first card is ready. So you go and get the second card. The second card is Web3 Academy launch. Let's check Web3. Okay, it's not here. Let's go back to specials. Check my cards. Let me check if I think. Okay, yeah, I've used it before. So this is it here. It's under specials. To get this Web3 Academy launch, go to specials here and go to my cards and check if you've used the card. But if you've not, you should be under new cards here. So I've used mine. For the Web3 Academy launch on my own Hamster Kombat is in level 3. And the number of coins required is 94,000 coins, so it's not really much. You go ahead and claim it. Then the third one is grant for developers. It's a new card. So we go to Web3 here. Click on Web3. Under Web3, you see grant for developers here. The coins required, number of coins required for it is 100,000 coins, because of it's still in level 0 here. I've not used it before. So you click on it and claim it. So click here, take the prize. That's it for today's daily combo. Today is 28th July 2024, remember. So that's it for today's video, guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, turn on bell notification, and share too. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. Thank you.